Accidents are part of life, but they are stressful and there's a lot to deal with when one occurs. That's why we are here to help ease the burden with the care, quality, and expertise that a certified collision center or authorized collision center can provide for both you and your Lexus. Since 1989, Lexus automobiles have combined inspired design, relentless innovation, and optimal performance to create a passionate brand that provides moving experiences. Lexus safety is important. In fact, Lexus safety systems are designed to perform slight steering, accelerating, and braking in union with active supervision and control input from the driver. Our specialized Lexus technicians have the skilled technical experience and training to maintain such advanced safety technology that other repair shops might not have. Guest satisfaction doesn't stop with the purchase of your Lexus. When accidents happen, a ding on the hood, a scratch on the bumper, or a collision, Lexus Collision Centers are here to enhance your Lexus ownership experience by providing peace of mind. We know this is a stressful time and many things will be running through your mind. You have the right to choose your repair shop, and the specialized Lexus technicians at Lexus certified or authorized collision centers are capable of restoring your Lexus to the standards you expect. We use parts designed and manufactured for your Lexus to restore your vehicle to factory standards. We are dedicated and committed to creating truly amazing experiences for you, especially in your time of need. Our quality guest lounge and amenities lean heavily on your satisfaction. When you need us, there are several options to begin the repair process. You can use your mobile device to access our Lexus Collision Assistance app or the LexusCollisionCenter.com estimate portal to capture all the necessary information to start the estimate process. You may also stop by your local Lexus Certified Collision Center or Lexus Authorized Collision Center. Upon arrival, you will be greeted by a Lexus Collision Center professional who will guide you through the repair process from beginning to end. While your vehicle is being evaluated, you can enjoy a beverage and relax in this spacious Wi-Fi enabled guest area. Your satisfaction is crucial to our success. We treat you like we would our guest in our home. After the estimate is approved, our technicians prep your Lexus for repair. From there, our Lexus trained technicians will map the damage to your vehicle and create an effective repair plan to ensure your Lexus is crafted back to Lexus specifications. Lexus certified and authorized collision centers uphold the Lexus promise of delivering your vehicle back to you in exceptional condition. The Lexus Collision Centers utilize state-of-the-art tools and equipment, including computerized paint mixing and match equipment providing virtually undetectable repairs of unrivaled quality. When you leave your Lexus with us, you can rest easy knowing our technicians have access to Lexus software and step-by-step instructions on how to complete your repair. Once your vehicle repairs are completed, a collision specialist will contact you so you can pick up your Lexus vehicle at a time convenient for you. When you get behind the wheel and drive away, you will have confidence your vehicle has been repaired with the best Lexus parts and service available. We want your time at Lexus Collision Centers to be no different than your time at a Lexus dealership. As our guest, your experience and your satisfaction is our #1 goal.